Welcome to the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan Honest Review 2026. This video offers an honest review with no hype, just facts. We are reviewing the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan and asking, is it a scam or the real deal? Welcome to Digital Trust Reviewers. We are doing an honest, in-depth review of the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan. We will cover how it works, sample meals, reported benefits, and what to realistically expect. This review comes to you from Digital Trust Reviews. First, let's look at why keto. We'll explore the science behind the diet. The ketogenic diet focuses on healthy fats, high-quality proteins, and low-carb vegetables. It also incorporates ketosis boosters, electrolytes, and low glycemic sweeteners. The ketogenic diet is popular for weight loss and improved energy. It's high in fat, moderate in protein, and very low in carbs, shifting your body into a fat-burning state called ketosis. Users often report faster weight loss and better mental clarity. However, there is a real challenge. Why do many keto plans fail? Many people fail keto plans due to poor meal planning, hidden carbs, unrealistic expectations, or lack of variety. Understanding these challenges is key to success and avoiding frustration. So, what exactly is the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan, and how does it address these challenges? Here is an overview of the plan, showcasing various meal examples and recipe categories included. The Ultimate Keto Meal Plan is a structured guide with daily meal plans, recipes, and macro targets. It simplifies keto for beginners, helping you stay consistent, saving time, and reducing guesswork. What kind of recipes does the Ultimate Keto Plan offer? It focuses on simple, beginner-friendly, low-carb versions of everyday foods, requiring no complicated cooking skills. Always check the official website for full details. Let's quickly look at the types of recipes the Ultimate Keto Plan is known for so you know what to expect before buying. Here are some examples of popular keto meals that fit within the plan's guidelines. The plan includes common keto meals like bacon and eggs, breakfasts, creamy chicken dishes, keto cheeseburger bowls, and simple protein-based dinners using healthy fats. If you're wondering what kind of meals the Ultimate Keto Plan actually offers, let me quickly break it down for you. The plan focuses on simple, everyday, keto-friendly recipes, not gourmet cooking. You'll find popular keto-style meals that keep you full while keeping carbs low. Surprisingly, the plan also includes keto pizza recipes. Keto pizza options are included, featuring low-carb alternatives like fathead dough, cauliflower crust, and cheese-based crust recipes, all designed to fit the keto lifestyle. The plan also addresses keto bread and baking alternatives. Instead of traditional bread, the plan covers almond flour, coconut flour, cloud bread, and quick mug breads that are easy to make at home. There is a selection of keto breakfast recipes to start your day right. Mornings include keto breakfast ideas like pancakes, waffles, omelet variations, egg muffins, and simple low-carb smoothies, making long-term adherence easier. The plan features dedicated recipes for keto lunch and dinner meals. Lunch and dinner options include chicken Alfredo, beef stir-fries, salmon with healthy fats, zucchini noodles, and stuffed pepper recipes. Don't forget the satisfying keto desserts and snacks. The plan includes keto desserts and snacks like cheesecake, brownies, fat bombs, and low-carb treats to manage sweet cravings effectively. Remember, exact recipes, ingredients, and results may vary. Always visit the official Ultimate Keto Plan website for full details, updated recipes, pricing, and confirmation before purchasing. If keto feels confusing, this plan offers a solution. It's designed for beginners with simple meals, clear menus, and aims for real results. Start today by visiting the official site. Click the link below. Let's discuss how the plan works, starting with macro tracking and meal timing. The plan emphasizes tracking fats, proteins, and carbs. It also suggests specific meal timing strategies to help maintain ketosis, boost fat burning, and ensure stable energy throughout the day. Part 2 of how it works focuses on ketosis and fat burning explained. Following the plan initiates ketosis, where your body burns fat for fuel instead of carbs. Consistent ketosis helps support sustained weight loss and higher energy levels. Here are some examples of sample meals and recipes included in the plan. Examples include avocado egg breakfast bowls, grilled salmon with low-carb vegetables, and keto-friendly smoothies. Recipes are designed to be delicious and easy while meeting macro targets. Users commonly report benefits such as weight loss, reduced cravings, higher energy, improved mental focus, and better appetite control. Remember, results depend on consistency, activity, and lifestyle. Next, let's address common misconceptions and debunk some popular keto myths. Keto is not just bacon and butter. A healthy keto diet includes leafy greens, nuts, and balanced proteins. It is generally safe for most adults when followed correctly with balanced nutrition. Finally, we discuss who should try the keto diet and who should avoid it for safety. The plan is suitable for adults looking for structured weight loss or metabolic benefits. It is not recommended for children, pregnant or nursing women, or individuals with certain medical conditions. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new diet plan to ensure it is safe and appropriate for your individual health needs. Let's move on to tracking progress to ensure you are maximizing your results effectively and safely. Monitoring your results is a key component of success in any diet plan, including the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan. Keep track of your weight, energy levels, and ketone levels if possible. This monitoring helps you adjust meals, stay motivated, and ensures you're hitting your complicated rules. The Ultimate Keto Meal Plan is available through the official website. Avoid unofficial sources to ensure you receive the complete plan with accurate macros, recipes, and support. Finally, let's go over our final verdict, including the pros and cons of the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan. The pros include structured guidance, easy-to-follow recipes, simplified macro tracking, and improved energy. The cons are that it requires discipline, monitoring macros, and an adjustment period for ketosis. Overall, it's an excellent tool for beginners or anyone needing guidance. If you're ready to follow the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan, make sure to use the official link in the description. This guarantees you get the complete plan and any included updates or bonuses. We are Digital Trust Reviewers. We provide honest reviews, no hype, just facts. This is the logo for Digital Trust Reviews. This is Digital Trust Reviewers. Subscribe for honest, unbiased reviews, real insights, and to protect yourself from scams or misleading products. Your subscription helps us continue providing factual guidance. This video is for educational and review purposes only. Always visit the official Ultimate Keto Plan website for full details and confirmation before purchasing, as results vary from person to person. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute medical advice. Consult a qualified professional before starting any diet plan. Thanks for watching. Stay informed and make healthy choices. Subscribe for honest, unbiased reviews, real insights, and to protect yourself from scams or misleading products. Your subscription helps us continue providing factual guidance. Don't overthink keto. The Ultimate Keto Plan shows you exactly what to eat, step by step. Click below to join now for instant access. Thank you for watching this video.